If you drive a 6.2-liter Silverado, you already know the factory intake is built more for silence than for performance. That stock setup chokes airflow, heats up fast, and leaves power on the table. A proper cold air intake fixes that by feeding the engine cooler, denser air for better throttle response and sound. I've dropped links to every intake in the video description, so you can check prices and fitment after watching. Starting with Volant. This intake is all about smart airflow management. The high-velocity Venturi adapter smooths air as it passes through the mass airflow sensor, which helps consistency and drivability. The oversized sealed air box pulls in colder ambient air than stock, and the filter choices are a big win. Whether you want a maintenance-free option, a dry filter, or a traditional oiled setup, Volant lets you tune the balance between filtration, convenience, and performance for real-world driving. Next up is the AFE Power Momentum GT. And yeah, this thing looks factory plus under the hood. The sealed one-piece housing keeps heat out while using the stock air inlet, and the clear inspection window is clutch for quick checks. The 5-layer cotton filter flows a ton of air and usually delivers strong power gains. Installation is straightforward with quality clamps and couplers. Just keep in mind, this setup is not emissions legal in California, so check your local rules. Now the AFE Power Magnum 4-Stage 2. This one's for folks who want to hear their truck breathe. The open element design makes filter access stupid easy and delivers an aggressive intake growl when you get on it. Dyno testing shows solid horsepower and torque gains, and airflow is way up compared to stock. It still uses the factory inlet scoop, installs without cutting, and is great for drivers who care about sound and performance more than maximum heat shielding. Coming in strong is cold air inductions. This kit focuses on real-world efficiency with thermally insulated aluminum tubing that resists heat soak better than plastic. Throttle response feels sharper, intake temperatures stay lower, and the sound is deep without being obnoxious. Everything is made in the United States. Installation takes about 30 minutes, and the washable filter captures over 99% of particulates. It's a solid choice if you want performance with long-term durability and easy maintenance. Finally, K and N with the dry flow system. This is a classic upgrade that balances airflow, engine protection, and ease of ownership. The oil-free synthetic filter means no mess, long service intervals, and consistent performance. K and N backs it with a lifetime warranty and claims noticeable horsepower and torque gains across the revolutions per minute range. Installation is quick, parts quality is solid, and it's a great option for daily drivers who want proven gains without extra hassle. At the end of the day, the best cold air intake for your 6.2-liter Silverado depends on what you value most: sound, maximum airflow, low maintenance, or heat control. All the product links are waiting for you in the video description, so check them out and see which one fits your build. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and stick around for more truck mods and honest reviews.